This oats flax cake is very healthy and made with absolutely no sugar at all. It is very rich in protein, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. The cocoa powder in it is a powerhouse of antioxidants and has got a lot of health benefits. It is very simple to make, and you can have this cake without having to feel any guilt at all. So let's see how to make this cake. Take a bowl and add 1.25 cups of oats. That is 1 cup plus a quarter cup. Then add 250 ml of hot milk. I am using low fat milk, that is 2% fat milk. You can use any milk of your choice. But if you want less calories, then try to use low fat milk. Mix it well and keep this aside. Let the oats soak in the milk for about 10 minutes. Then take 2 ripe bananas that has got brown spots on it. You need to use only ripe bananas because, like I said, we are not going to add any sugar in this cake. But if you are planning to give it to the kids, you can add some sugar. Use a fork and mash the bananas really well. Bananas have natural sugar and is also very rich in fiber. This makes it a healthy option compared to other sugars. Once it is mashed, add an egg. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of flax seeds powder. Beat the eggs well and combine it with the rest of the ingredients. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3, but do not add more as the cake will not hold together once it is baked. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until it forms a smooth paste. Now let's take the soaked oats. Let's add the mixture that we just prepared. Mix this really well. If you have watched this far, will you please consider subscribing to my channel? That will help my channel grow. Let's pour the batter into a baking mold. I am using a rectangular bread pan, but you can use any baking pan. Just tap a few times to level it. Then top it with a generous amount of walnuts, or you can use any nuts of your choice. Gently press the nuts so it can stick to the cake once it is baked. Let us bake this for 360 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Once baked, take out the cake and cool it for a minimum of 20 minutes before you try to remove the cake from the pan. The next step is completely optional. I have taken 70% dark chocolate here for a healthy option. Add 3 tablespoons of hot milk to melt the chocolate. Mix this until you get a smooth paste. This paste looks ready. So pour this into a piping bag and pipe the chocolate mix over the cake. This cake is dense and moist and has got full of chocolate and nut flavors. You can happily have a piece every day as a snack or for breakfast with no guilt of gaining any weight. I hope you try this very easy and delicious recipe. Thanks for watching.